guys, it's Scarlet here with my friend Ninjagirl27. This is not travel, so I'm just her friend. And yeah, this is her. Okay, so today we'll be teaching you on how to roleplay. So, yeah, okay. It's kind of hard because she's not here with me and I'm talking in this video. So anyways, we're going to show you how to roleplay. Okay, sorry. I keep on forgetting that I'm also talking in this video. So, yeah, she's going to show us how to do the first step of role-playing. You might be a little, rusty at this, so kind of getting used to it. But it's okay. I'll just wait. Yeah, like a cat in the book Warriors. So, yeah. Roleplay is like acting out anyway, so I might as well just show you some things. So basically, it's like, you know in real life how you pick up cups or whatever, where you do actually verbs or actions? Well, it's basically like that, but on AJ, and you pretend if you're drinking some coffee. Drinks some coffee. I don't know. And okay, let's go to the forest, I guess. So let's go. Let me just find the server she's asking for. If I can just find it right here. Okay. And then to the forest. So basically, I'm just gonna wait for her wherever she is. Sorry, wrong person. Yep, and she's here. And then, whee! Sorry, I didn't take the slide. Anyway, we're gonna roleplay in here. It's not a very full forest, so it's good. So, anyways, yeah, like I said, it's like an action, but on Animal Jam. So, just listen to her lectures, and I'll just stay quiet for a while. It's kind of hard to stay quiet, but it's okay. So, first of all, yeah, I don't know. Hard to do this. Anytime now. Yeah, like an animal, basically. So I pick a wolf. You can roleplay as a bunny or something. I don't know. Yeah. These are the only animals I have. I can only have 2 because I'm not a member, fortunately. But yeah, that's it. And yeah. If you don't have free chat, you can capitalize your eyes like I do and then say an action. Picks up coffee mug, like I said. Some words you won't be able to say, so it's really frustrating. Or you can do periods, picks up cup. But I don't really prefer that because, if you're saying a sentence hi, friend, I don't know. And then, picks up mug. It would kind of look weird. Okay, so I already gave you one, but let's tell her so she knows. So anyways, you can do picks up a tree branch. And yeah, so basically she did a good one. So cool, awesome, yeah. So basically, you can also capitalize or use. Not many people do that, but it would be a step up. Sorry, that's not really an action, but it's okay. Or exclamation marks. Yeah, so you have to act like a real cat because, like, when you wear bow and arrows, I mean, seriously, do you just, like, fires an arrow? That's not a... Okay, then. That's not a role play. Okay, sorry, I just keep on forgetting that I'm recording. Sorry. Yeah. Exactly. Oh my gosh, a lot of people do this. It's so annoying. This only started half, so like... That's a no. Seriously. No, no, no. Cats don't pick up swords with their paws or arrows and just fire an arrow. Like, shoot an arrow at someone. No. It's basically impossible. Okay? Well, it's not impossible, but I'd like to see a cat try. So, anyways, yeah. Just keep listening to her. And I really like that sword, by the way. Okay. Hi. Okay. Okay, just ignore. Might not want to say that. I don't want to be mean. And yeah. So basically roleplay is mainly just fighting or attacking someone. Yeah, you're a narrator for your own book. Like, that's why I say picks up mug. Yeah, a cat doesn't do that, but it's just an example. So don't go all crazy on me. And I can also do like, when I'm attacked, roleplay is about basically mainly attacking. Yeah, see how she does it? She's like talking in third person for herself. Like she hers an amusement, I don't know. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't really say it's advanced. I mean, actually it is, but I mean, I feel bad for non-members. Well, most non-members, because some of them don't have free chat. So, yeah, basically I feel bad for them. And so, yeah, let's just keep on listening to her. Okay, so I'm back. I need to charge my laptop. Okay. Yeah, so basically roleplay is fighting and all that stuff. Yeah. Okay. This video is over and thanks for watching. Yeah, actually I do. Let's do a roleplay scene, like a battle scene. I'm not allowed to say fighting because it just goes like that. That's why I really want an account that has free chat. Okay, so you go first. Yeah, see? You have to say no, nothing, or like that if you have free chat. But you can say NM if you're a non-member and don't have free chat. Or if you're a member and you don't have free chat, and you can say that. And yeah, it basically means that they can't dodge, because like, pretend she says that. So, pretend that you say hits. Really? Okay, that's a horrible move. I can dodge. So basically, yeah. So basically, I don't really get hurt. So I can block it, I can dodge it, I can say miss it, though that wouldn't really make sense, though people say that sometimes. And so, yeah, that's why I always have to say NM. Or you can say no, nothing, but it just takes longer. So, let me do an example. Like, she lunges, nope, sorry, no free chat. She throws herself onto the he cat or whatever and digs her claws into him. And if they say, okay, so pretend I say no, nothing, or NM, or NN, whatever, ND, because they say dodges. Let's say if I do that, then basically, yeah, what she said. So basically, if I do that, and then the other person acts like they don't get hurt at all or impacted, like if she says hits me, like, okay, I'm gonna act like I'm two people. If I'm not wearing the hat, I'm someone else. Okay, sorry. So, pretend this is a random person. Hits. And then I'm like, sorry, I'm talking too loud. And then I'm like, and then like she trips me or something, or she like breaks my bones, I don't know, and yet I don't look like I'm bleeding. If I don't do that, and if she says like kills or ends, yeah, that means that they're killing you because you can't say kill. So basically, they say ends, NM or whatever. Yeah, that's like a mean nickname in the book, but for cat. So yeah, so she does that, and I'm still not gone. That means I'm a power player. Power playing is, yeah, that basically. I'm cheating, and so yeah. Okay, so anyways, I think that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Anyway, oh, there you go. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys.